Jain friends, myself Sachin Jain, Assistant Professor, Akgec Garg Engineering College. In today's lecture, we will discuss something about the HTML. So we will discuss HTML basics, image tag, list tag, and tables. So the outline of this lecture is HTML introduction, HTML tag, attributes and entities, more about the image tag, list tag, and table tag. So what is HTML? HTML stands for hypertext markup language. It is a kind of markup language that make a separation of presentation of a document from the structure of the document information. So HTML syntax basically have three aspects: HTML elements, attributes, and entities. So what is elements? Elements are the different parts of HTML pages that have tags, and the attribute are the information about the instance of an element that is also placed inside the tags, and the entities are the symbols like a copyright symbol, ascendant letters, etc. So elements are the basic blocks of an HTML, and to use an element to describe every piece of text on web pages, and it is a made up of tags and content inside the tag. So every element have a pair of starting tag and end tag, starting tag and end tag. So attribute allows a variety in how an element is displayed or a function. So the syntax of an attribute is the tag, then its attribute equal to its value, again tag attribute equal to its value. Double quotes here. So if I am using a tag image, the source is a attribute here, width is a attribute here, height is an attribute here. So these are the attributes that are placed inside the tag that contains some values. Now entities. Entities are the special character that can be displayed on a web pages, and it begins with the ampersand and end with the semicolon. So to display this character in the browser, we need to write and acute, and this can be placed inside the paragraph or somewhere else. So we will write like this. Now comments. Good programming practice use comments inside the code that can be used for various purposes, for documentation, for self-understanding, or there may be various reasons. So comments are not displayed in the final web page, and in HTML we use generally the comment starting from this and ending with this one. So whatever we will write inside here will not be displayed on the final web page. Now editing the HTML. So HTML documents are in source code form, and it can be edited using any editor like Notepad, WordPad, Emacs, Edit Plus, etc. And HTML document can be saved with the help of extension .html or .htm file. And a web server store all the kind of HTML documents, and web browser help us to fetch those documents, and the client can request through web browser. Now in today's lecture we will discuss image tag, list tag, and table tag. So the first tag of today's lecture is images. So images are basically in various formats are available of images: GIF, JPEG, PNG, and these formats can be easily implemented with the help of HTML code. So image tag is used to add these kind of images inside your HTML document, and there are various attributes of this image tag. One is source attribute. You can set the location of this image. Width and height attribute that can be measured in terms of pixels. So these are the three attributes associated with this image tag. So for example, there is a paragraph and there is a image, and whose source is directly placed with HTML document, and the height and width are 238 and 183. And similarly, there is another image, this one with height 238, width 183. So these two images are placed inside this paragraph, right? So you can see this one, this image and this image. If the image is not placed at the right place, so image will not be displayed here. You can make an image with hyperlink. So to make an image with hyperlink, you need to use anchor tag here, then image source, then width, height, and this image, the links.html page will be displayed. Similarly, list.html page will be displayed when we will click on this image. So we can make an image as a hyperlink as well with the help of this anchor tag just before the image tag. Now, list are basically lists basically used to display the information in terms of order value or in terms of unordered value. So lists are basically two types, ordered list or unordered list. But the things is common in both the list is list item. So unordered list is defined with the help of tag UL, and unordered list create a list with each item that begins with either a bullet symbol or either a disk or either a square that we will mention, and the items can be described with the help of tag li. So let's see an example. There is an unordered list UL, and there are 4 list items that are defined with the tag of li, and these list of items are having anchor tag values. So first reference here, second reference here, third reference here, fourth reference here, and this ordered list is now unordered list is closed here. Now we can do the nesting or ordering of the list as well. So to make an ordered list, we used OL tag, and the thing that is common in ordered or unordered list is list items. So let's see an example. Here is a list, unordered list, and there is a list of items li, and in this list of item there is another list of item that are kind of ordered list. So this ordered list is open here, and this ordered list is closed here, and this list of items is closed here. So first list of items, then second list of item, and this second list of item contained 2 lists of items that are kind of ordered list. Now another list of items are in parallel, and then in this programming part there is another 5 list of items that are kind of ordered list of items, and this ordered list of items are closed here, and this list of item is closed here, and this unordered list of items are closed here. So in this example you can see that all the items are displayed here, and all the items in the sequence are displayed here. So we can do the nesting, and we can make a or pair of order or unordered list. Now another tag of HTML is table. Table provide a mean of organizing a layout of data, and table is divided into two parts. One is rows and another one is column. And the combination where rows and column meets are called as a cells. Cell contain text, image, links, or even can have another table as well. So table can be used to organizing a layout of a web page itself. So to make a table, there are four basic type of tags that we use: table tag, tr tag, table heading, table data. So table is a main tag, and the main tag there are sub tags tr, th, and td. Tr stands for table row, table header, and table data. So if I want to make a table something like this, so first what I will do, first I will use table tag. This is the main element to make a table. Then there is a first row that contain name, course, and year. So here row will start from this tag. Here then attribute is called as a border. Border is a kind of attribute that can set the border of this table. And the values can be 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So table header is name, this header close, then another header is course, then another header is year, and all the tags that we will start, we need to close at right place, and this first line got completed here. Another rows start and got completed the name, course, and year, name, course, and year value. The another rows started and completed with another name, course, and year value. Is in this way this rows is get completed, and this table is now get completed here. We can make this table like this. Now we can merge two rows and two columns, or various tables as well, by the help of cell span and col span and row span attribute of a table. So let's see an example. Making a table something like this. Here I'm merging these two values here. So to merge these two values, what I will do, I will make my table header with col span 2. This name have two column, so the name, course single, then year single. Now this row get completed, and another row I will do row span value is 2. Here you can see that these two rows get merged. Here these two columns are divided. So first we write col span equal to 2. Here for rows I write row span equals to 2. Right? This another values are very similar as we have write in the previous table. So col span and row span are used to merge two rows or two columns value. Now align and width attribute of a table. You can align the attributes. You can align the text of a cell with the attribute align, and you can set the width of an attribute with the help of width attribute of a table. So align can be placed with the table tag, and width attribute can be placed with the help of th or tr or th or td data. So inside TD or TH we can write width, or inside table attribute we can write align. Alignment can be center, left, right, anyone. So another attributes that are possible with this table tag is cell spacing, cell padding, and BG color. So align we have studied, width we have studied, border we have studied. So cell spacing and cell padding. Cell spacing separate the makes a space between the cells, and cell padding make the space around the data and the cell, and BG color set the background color of the table. There is another tag that called caption tag that is used to put a title above the table. So you can write the caption above the table with the help of caption tag as well. So in this example we have used all the type of tags: border, align, cell spacing, cell padding, and BG color as well. So you can see the difference. All the text, all the values are aligned centrally, and there is a margin of 6 between the cells, and the margin of 6 data and the border of the cell. Now, table can be used to organize a layout of a web page itself, and table can be inside the table we can write the we can put the image as well. So this one is a table. This one is a table basically, and in the first cell we just insert the image, and another one we have used the list of items, and then we just writing the simple pages. So in this page basically there is a table with a border 0. There is no border of this table. The cell spacing is 10. Here first row is created with the table data is called this image, and another value is unordered list that contains 3 values: cat, dogs, and butterflies, and this unordered list get closed here. This table data get closed here. Now another table data contain a paragraph, this one here, and this TD get closed here, and this table row get closed here. So this complete table row is a single row, and this table get closed here, and this body part get closed here. So in this way we can define a table with no border as well.